has been informed that Zinisa has landed on the radar of Pirates after yet another sterling season in which he proved his pedigree with two stunning goals as Eswatini handed Somalia a 3-0 posting in the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations preliminary qualifiers in Morocco last week. Last year, the 32-year-old scored 11 goals and made the same number of assists of his Green Mamba side, who went on to win the MTN Premiership and qualified CAF Champions League, where they were eliminated by Songo FC from Mozambique. That performance also attracted the attention of Zambian Premier League. The Pirates' interest in Zinisa signifies the recognition of his exceptional goal-scoring prowess and skill on the field. Zinisa's potential move to Orlando Pirates mark a significant milestone in his career. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.